Hey guys, it's Madsen from Madsen's Magical Memories, and today I am going to be opening the presents that I got from my birthday party. I actually just had my birthday party today, and now me and my mom are at my lake house, and I'm going to open up some presents. So let's get to it. So the first present I got is from my friend Audrey. And it says, Unicorn Fart, you are my BFFL, which means you are my unicorn sister. Cake squishy. This little ice cream squishy. And this donut squishy, and she has a green one that looks exactly like this, but I have a pink one. And then slime. Let's see how good this slime is. Ooh, that's soft. It's a really good slime. Oh, that's good. Okay. So, first present was good. I like it. And then I'm gonna open this present, which was from my friend Susie. Oh, it's a pick-me-paw. That's nice. What else is in here? Oh, it's a little donut keychain. There's one more thing. What is it? Wait, why is it stuck to that? It's a little squishy thingy. It's not like a squishy, but it squishes, and I don't know, but I like it. That was also good. Next present. This present is from my friends Kaylee, Chloe, and Kella. Of course, it's LOLs. It's one of those whoa, it has little disguises. That's cool. This next gift was from my friend Mary, and she gave me this little bracelet. I think she made it from one of those handcrafted bracelet things, and she handmade me this. And now let's see what's in the bag. Imagine if it was just tissue paper. Oh, this is so heavy. It's a crystal slime kit. Nice. Yep. Next one. So this next gift is from my cousin Tristan. Peeps! They're little pumpkin peeps. Are these earrings?
Yeah.
Dang it. Little hair stuff, little clips and ties. And then little Skittles. There's little packs of them. This next gift is from my friend Emily. I know 2 people named Emily, but this is from my friend Emily. I know this show. I watched it in 1st grade. I think it was just little clips of stuff. Looks cool. So I think this one is from my friends Emmeline and Sophia. And they have all their gifts wrapped. I wonder what it is. Yep. Tape got stuck on my finger. Ooh, it's little num-nums. Is it like edible?
I have no idea. I don't think so.
We'll have to like just like do some research on this.
Yeah.
To see if it's edible. I hope it's edible. Let's open it. Ooh, it's a squishy! It's a little marshmallow squishy. Oh, it's a little cat in a donut. That's cute. It's a slime kit. That's cool. More squishies. Oh, it's a little panda in a little cup. That's cute. Let's move on to the next item. The next gift, it doesn't have a card. It's a jewelry making kit. And a Walmart gift card. That's nice. This next gift is from my friends Amelia and Aiden. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, that's nice. It's a little red, white, and blue heart. What are they called? Keychain. I was close.
That's cute.
That's really cute. How do you put it back in the bag? So this next gift is from my friends Johnny and Janelle. This is a slime making kit. The next one is this putty. I think this is like slime that you could blow up. We'll also have to investigate this. This last gift is from my friend Brooke. It is a little stuffed animal dog in a like little carrier. Ooh, it's so fun. It's really cute. So that was all of my gifts that I got today. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you sent me a gift, thank you so much. I loved all of the gifts so much. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!